Can certain smells and aromas improve learning efficiency? Smell is the strongest of the senses and is best able to influence brain activity. Olfactory bulbs are part of the limbic system and directly connect to the areas of the brain that process emotion and learning. One of the elements of a brain-based environment is aroma and smell. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Have you ever been out on a walk and suddenly you smell something that affected you very strongly? I'm not talking about allergies, but about an aroma that triggered something emotional in you, perhaps a memory of a long forgotten childhood event or an intensely detailed image. This is sometimes known as the Proust effect, referring to the author Marcel Proust, who wrote about memory recall as having a strong unconscious connection to certain smells. Smells so good. The connection between smell and memory happens to be a directly physical one. Can certain smells and aromas improve learning efficiency? Smells can transport us back to powerful and emotional memories from the past more effectively than sounds. A study shows supporting a theory of Marcel Proust. Can this effect be harnessed? Can we use smell in other ways, for example, to help us study? If smells can take us back to various memories, can they help us remember facts? That would require somehow associating smell with the content you want to remember. Imagine if smelling chocolate cake made you remember reading the U.S. Constitution in such detail that you could recall every word of it perfectly. Wouldn't that be fantastic? In principle, using smells to study is simply the association of the smell with a fact, concept, or idea. This presents an interesting possibility in terms of challenging and manipulating the brain hardwire that we were born with. This is similar to how people win memory contests. They have trained their brains to be more efficient. Perhaps in the same way, you can train your brain to consciously recall facts based off of smell. You want the air quality and temperature to be conducive to learning. The classroom that's either too hot or cold may be uncomfortable for students and distract from learning. Students may be groggy or sleepy in a room that is too stuffy. You want good airflow and constant room temperature. Consider using a room ionizer to enhance the air quality. And just as important, if not more, are the aromas. Introduce some scents to make the classroom pleasant smelling. You might consider using mild lemon, lavender, jasmine, rosemary, cinnamon, or peppermint. Some aromas can reduce anxiety and encourage attention. Smell is the strongest of the senses and is best able to influence brain activity. This is one reason why so often something that we smell will trigger a memory or remind us of something or someone. Scents that matter. Lemon. This scent promotes concentration and has calming and clarifying properties that are helpful when you're feeling angry, anxious, or run down. Lavender is the scent that helps control emotional stress. Jasmine is also used to calm nerves, but it has uplifting capabilities, producing a feeling of confidence, optimism, and revitalized energy. Rosemary can be helpful in memory retention, while cinnamon helps improve concentration and focus. And if you're doing a brainstorming activity, you might want to give students a peppermint or provide the aroma, the scent of peppermint.